The Bamboo and the Oak. In a quiet valley surrounded by green hills, there stood two remarkable trees near the banks of a river, the mighty oak and the humble bamboo. The oak was tall, strong, and proud. Its branches stretched wide across the sky, its trunk was thick and unyielding, and all the animals of the valley admired its grandeur. Birds made nests in its branches, children from the nearby village played under its shade, and travelers rested beneath its mighty arms. The bamboo, in contrast, stood quietly beside the oak. It was slender and flexible, with narrow green stalks that swayed with the gentlest breeze. Unlike the oak, it did not seem powerful or majestic. It bent easily, and sometimes, when the wind blew strongly, it leaned so much that it almost touched the ground. One summer afternoon, the oak looked at the bamboo and said with a chuckle, "Why do you bow so often? Stand firm like me. Look at my trunk, strong, unbending, and eternal. You seem weak and fragile." The bamboo listened silently. It did not feel insulted nor proud. With calmness, it replied, "Friend oak, I bend not because I am weak, but because I choose to be humble before the forces greater than myself. The wind is stronger than either of us. By bowing, I live. By resisting, one may break." The oak laughed loudly. "Break? Ha! Do you know who I am? My roots run deep, my body is unyielding. I shall never break. The storm may roar, but I stand as a fortress." The bamboo only smiled gently, swaying in the light breeze, saying no more. The storm. Seasons passed. The valley bloomed in spring, grew golden in summer, and shivered in autumn. Then came winter. Along with it arrived dark clouds, fierce winds, and a storm unlike any the valley had ever seen. Thunder roared like angry drums, lightning tore the skies into silver flames, and the river swelled with furious waters. The wind howled louder than wolves, striking the valley with merciless force. The oak, proud and unyielding, spread its branches wide, determined to resist. "I shall not bow. I shall not bend," it roared against the wind. Its massive branches clashed with the storm, its trunk stood stiff against the mighty gusts. The bamboo, meanwhile, bent gracefully with every blow of the storm. When the wind pushed, it yielded, when the rain poured, it swayed. It did not resist, but it did not fall either. The storm grew fiercer through the night. The oak strained, its roots tugged from the soil, its branches cracking. At last, with a thunderous sound, the mighty oak snapped and fell to the ground, crushing smaller plants and startling the creatures that once found shelter in its arms. When dawn arrived, the valley looked wounded. The oak lay broken across the earth, its once proud body defeated. The bamboo, however, stood tall again, unharmed. It had bent, but it had not broken. The lesson. The animals of the forest gathered around. They looked at the fallen oak with sadness, and then at the bamboo with awe. The birds, who had lost their nests, wept. The deer, who once rested under the oak's shade, mourned. Yet they also learned a lesson that morning. The bamboo, looking at its fallen friend, whispered softly, "Strength without humility can become arrogance. Stubbornness may seem like courage, but it is often the path to destruction. True strength lies not in resisting everything, but in adapting and surviving." The villagers too came and saw the scene. The wise elder of the village spoke to the children who had played under the oak. "Remember this, my children. The world is not conquered by pride, but by patience. The one who knows when to bend will rise again. The one who refuses to bow may be defeated by forces greater than themselves. Learn to be like the bamboo, gentle, humble, and resilient. A deeper meaning. Time went on. The bamboo continued to grow. Travelers now rested under its shade, finding peace in its calm presence. It became a symbol of resilience and wisdom for the villagers. Whenever storms returned, the bamboo bent gracefully, reminding everyone of the lesson it embodied: flexibility is strength. The story of the oak and the bamboo spread through the valley and beyond, reaching villages, towns, and even distant lands. People told the tale to their children, teachers shared it with their students, and it became a guiding wisdom for generations. Do not mistake arrogance for strength. Learn when to stand firm and when to bend. Humility and adaptability are greater than pride and rigidity. Moral. The moral of the story is clear. Whitewright pointing backhand index: true strength lies in humility, adaptability, and resilience. Those who can bend with life's storms will endure, while those who resist blindly may break.